Good morning, children. Continuity of the previous lesson. I started this lesson yesterday. Children, in my last class, I told you about Derry, a small boy who had entered the garden belonging to an old man. The old man had seen him enter his garden by climbing the wall, and Derry was walking through the long grass that was there in the garden. He was walking slowly and cautiously. He wanted to be alone. He didn't want to be seen. But I have already told you the old man had already seen him enter his garden. Near some bushes, when Derry reached, he heard someone's voice. It was the voice of the old man. The old man was trying to tell him to do something. The old man was in fact telling him to mind the apples. Because of the effect of the wind, many apples had fallen from the crab apple trees, and they were lying hidden inside the long grass there. And the old man didn't want any of his apples to be destroyed. Besides, he didn't want Derry, the boy who had entered his garden secretly, to trip. Trip means what? To catch one's foot on something and stumble or fall. To catch one's foot on something or stumble or fall. Derry was unaware of the presence of someone inside the garden. He had thought that there was no one inside the garden. So he was shocked when he was addressed by the old man. See how Derry responds. Derry, I thought this was an empty place. He says to the old man that he thought that place was empty. I didn't know there was anybody here. He had no idea that there was somebody there in the garden. Mr. Lamb, that's all right. Mr. Lamb agreed with him. What you are saying is all right. I am here. Yes, I am present here. What are you afraid of? Is there something to make you afraid here? Boy, that's all right. No problem. I am here. Derry, I thought it was empty, an empty house. But my thought was quite different. What had he thought? He had thought that that place was empty. There was an empty house inside the garden. Mr. Lamb, so it is. Mr. Lamb once again agreed with him. He said, yes, the house is empty since I am out here in the garden. The house was empty because he was in the garden. He was not inside his house. It is empty. So his house is naturally empty because he was in the garden until I go back again, until I go back inside. As long as he was in the garden, the house would remain empty. In the meantime, I am out here and like you to stop. He disclosed his plan to Derry that he wanted to remain there in his garden, wanted to spend some time in the garden. He was likely to stop. Likely means what? Such as well might happen or be true. Such as well might happen or be true. Probable means he wanted to spend some time in his garden. A day like this. Here he is praising the day, beautiful day. That day was a beautiful day according to the old man. Not a day to be indoors. No one should be inside his, her or their house on such a beautiful day. Whose opinion was this? It was the old man's opinion. Nowadays, the word there, THEIR, is used with everyone or no one. Gone are the days when his or her, these words, his and her, his or her, either of these words were used freely, was used freely with no one or everyone. But nowadays the word THEIR, the pronoun THER has replaced her or him in such an expression. In such expressions. So no one should be outside, no one should be inside one's house, his house, her house, or their house. All these sentences are correct. Dairy, panic, I have got to go. Dairy is afraid. He's afraid. He says that he wants to go. He wanted to leave that place. Mr. Lamb, not on my account. Mr. Lamb tells him that if he wanted to go, he could go, but not because of him. I don't mind who comes into the garden. He clearly told him that he never minded who came into the garden. He was ready to welcome anyone. The gate is always open. The gate of his garden is always open. Everyone is allowed. Everyone is welcome according to him. Only you climbed the garden wall. But he had seen Dairy enter his garden by climbing the garden wall. That is why he says, he wants to say that there was no need for that boy to enter his garden by climbing the garden wall, because the gate was open. You are welcome. He had seen Dairy enter the garden by climbing the garden wall, but he was ready to welcome him. He did not object. I sit here. He told him that he sat there. I like sitting. He was fond of sitting there. Where? In his garden. Thank you, children.